How to make your roles appear on the side of your Discord server. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to make your roles appear on the side of your Discord server, in which you are of course admin, so here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just open up the Discord application or your browser Discord and simply head over to the particular channel or server in which you are obviously admin, and simply click on this drop down menu from over here. Let's head over to server settings. So once you're inside here, just click on this roles under the from the left section under the people, and you can basically give any role or create a new role if you want. So as you can see, I've already created one role which is for myself, that is admin. So once you tap on this, or you can also just tap on this edit button over here, and from over here simply scroll down and you can basically change your color for your admin role just like this, and click on save changes if you want to highlight yourself from other or highlight that particular role from other. And you can add as many people as you want, because currently I don't have any members available for me. So you can just tap on this add members to add via their members name just like this, and simply click add to just add the persons. And for now I'll simply show you another thing, that is what you will have to do to make them or any of the people or any of the role appear on your side of your Discord server. Is you just have to scroll down and make sure you enable this option, that is display role members separately from online members. So just tap on save changes from over here, and once you do all of that, simply escape it, and you should see all of the members who are currently online and to whom you have added to that particular admin role as a role. They will be appearing over here, and if they are offline, they will not be appearing over here. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.